Step one is done. I cut out all my vinyls and now I have them placed where I want them. I'm going to do 3 here. I'm also going to do 3 here on this side. And then I'll probably hit one in the middle. And then I'm going to have the holding faith here. So this is done. Next I'm going to get my bleach mix, the soft scrub, and I'll get them bleached. And then from there, let it develop. After all my placement and everything is there, then I'm going to wash it and I'll dry it. Yeah, stoked to see how this is going to come out. Stay tuned. Just got the mixture on there and it's already developing super quick, so I'm pretty stoked. Here in a second, I'm going to take the stencils off and I'm going to place them on the other side and we'll get those going as well. So also I'm going to let this develop for 10 minutes. So I got all the stencils down and painted, so of course I'm going to let them just develop, and then after that we'll wash them and dry them, and then we'll see how they held. So yeah. So this is the look for now. I'm gonna add the logo here, and then I'm gonna add some more here on the sides, and then I think I'm gonna add some stones too. So let's go. To the sleeves, also added the main logo, and then to these as well. So letting these develop, and then I'm gonna rinse it, wash it, and then I'm gonna add stones here. I'm gonna add stones here. Then I'm also gonna put something on each side of the hood. So yeah, I love the way this is coming out. And this is 100% cotton. I tried on a moisture wickening, wasn't good. So I added this to both sides of the hood. So now it's been processing, so I'm gonna wash it, dry it, then I'll add the stones, and then after that we'll be ready to see the final look. All right, so this is the final look. I have the logos here, main logo here. I added the rhinestones to the side here. And then also added them to the hood. So yeah, let me know what you think. Peace.